Welcome to the latest edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Lundbeck reports that new drug applications for Eptinezumab were accepted in Japan, China and South Korea, supported by the Sunrise Phase 3 study in Asian patients. If approved, Vyepti could become Lundbeck's first marketing authorization in Japan and its first biologic launches in China and South Korea, potentially shaping preventive migraine access and payer reviews. Pfizer launched Rimegepant, orally disintegrating tablet, 75 milligrams, in India for acute migraine in adults with prior triptan insufficiency. The company cites rapid and sustained pain relief up to 48 hours, with ODT format improving usability, which may support remote prescribing and adherence. Sandoz launched TYRUKO, natalizumab-sztn, in the United States as the first biosimilar to Tysabri, covering all reference product indications. A REMS is in place for progressive multifocal leukoencephalopathy risk with JCV testing. The biosimilar introduces competition that may influence pricing and formulary access for relapsing multiple sclerosis and adult Crohn's disease. A Tianjin Medical University team reported in Science that formal peptide receptor 1, or FPR1, drives central nervous system inflammation, citing mouse models of multiple sclerosis. Their small molecule antagonist T0080 reduced inflammation and slowed neurodegeneration in animals, and the team is preparing for clinical trials. Interpretation will depend on study design and control of confounders. The FDA approved selumetinib, Koselugo, for symptomatic inoperable neurofibromatosis type 1 plexiform neurofibromas in adults, based on the COMET Phase 3 placebo-controlled global study with objective response rate as the primary endpoint. Safety aligned with pediatric experience and efficacy showed an ORR advantage versus placebo. Novo Nordisk announced that two-year randomized double-blind Phase 3 trials, EVOKE and EVOKE Plus, in early symptomatic Alzheimer's disease, totaling 3,808 participants, did not show superiority over placebo on the clinical dementia rating sum of boxes. Biomarker changes did not translate to clinical benefit, and the extension studies were discontinued. Plus Therapeutics completed an FDA Type B meeting on future clinical development plans for Reyobiq in leptomeningeal metastases. The discussion addressed the design of a planned pivotal or registrational study, with protocol amendments expected and company guidance after meeting minutes in early 2026. Continuum reported top-line results from the randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled Phase 2 VISTA proof-of-concept study of PIPE-307, an M1 antagonist, in relapsing-remitting multiple sclerosis. The trial did not meet the primary outcome on low contrast letter acuity, nor secondary measures, while safety was acceptable. Full data are planned. Stay ahead in neuroscience research, like, share and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.